And tonight, some people saying that the Biden administration might have jumped the gun earlier this week after announcing their plans to vaccinate kids as young as 5 years old against the coronavirus in the latest efforts to stop the spread. This plan, however, has yet to be approved by necessary regulators. And News 12's Jordan Kassane is speaking with local healthcare professionals about their thoughts on vaccinating an even younger generation.
Even though their plan has yet to be FDA approved, the White House announced its plan this week to vaccinate the nearly 30 million small children around the country aged 5 to 11 years old against COVID-19. While some parents are deciding whether to allow their kids to get the jab, we spoke to Ambar Kaluskar, a local pharmacist at Rossi's Pharmacy, who will be among the 25,000 potential providers of vaccines to kids.
If it was my kid, I would definitely have them vaccinated against COVID as soon as possible.
The FDA does plan to meet next week to discuss whether they will approve the jab for children. If approved this time around, parents and their children will rely on pharmacies like Rossi's to receive the shot rather than on mass inoculation sites.
There are a lot of parents that are eagerly awaiting the vaccine rollout for 5 to 11 because they are really scared about sending them to school.
The Biden administration says they want to remove any barriers for parents and their children who might have access to receiving the vax next month. Some parents, however, are skeptical, but Kaluskar says to rely on the facts.
By being a source of reliable and fact-based information, we can gradually change people's minds.
Kaluskar offers advice to help parents rest assured.
Vaccine administrators should be doing this on their own, but in case they haven't, it's your name, your date of birth, and which vaccine you're specifically receiving.
The Biden administration's announcement coming just days before this morning's breaking news, where Pfizer announced that its vaccine is over 90% effective in protecting kids from infection. Now, some parents are hesitant to have their children vaccinated so young, but for those who are hoping for their kids to get the jab, they can head to local pharmacies just like Rossi. In Bed-Stuy, I'm Jordan Kassane, News 12.